So we are going to continue and say now from here we introduce a constant. Say x equals to k, this constant k square root of y over the 4th root of z. With this one, let's calculate the value of a constant. We have x in question A, find the value. I mean the question 1, we are told that question 1 here, when x is 64, and square root of y, what is y? 16 over the 4th root of z. What is z there? 625. 625 now. Now here we're going to proceed and say 64 equals to square root of 16 is what? It's 4. So we have 4k over what is the 4th root of 625? Is 5. So I'm going to get 64 times 5. 64 times 5 equals to 4k. 64 times 5 is 320 equals to 4k. Divided by 4, divided by 4. Getting the value of k is what? The value of k is 8. So solution of A, solution connecting, it going x equals to k. You know that k is 8 now, because we come now to this one, we come now to this point. X is equals to k, square root of this one is ignored. I'm going to replace the values there. 8 square root of y over the 4th root of z. That is the equation connecting now. That's the equation connecting now. That is the value of, that's the answer of A. Let's proceed to solution of B now. Let's go to B. Let's go to B now. Question B. B of question A. I'm going to do it here. Very fast. Very fast. This is now B, not A. Solution of B now. Solution of B will be, find the value of, don't forget you have the equation. Our equation we got it from A. I'm going to say x is equals to 8 square root of y over 4th root of z. This is very much important because we will do this one now. Henceforth, find the value of z when x is what? When y is 36. So x is equals to what? When y is 36, so we're going to 8 square root of y 36 over the 4th root of you're looking for z. This is x is 160. 160, this one is the 4th root of z. You don't know the z. That means now that will be 160 cross multiply times 4 root z equals to 8 times, what is the square root of this one is 6. So they're going 160 times 4 root z equals to 480. So here we're going to divide by 160. Divide by 160. The back band here 4 root z equals to, and when this one we're going to get 3. So with this one now we move forward and get the value of what? Get the value of z. We're going to say 4 root z equals to 3. We have to get the z again. When you square a number, when you leave it at the square root, number king here number. When you give the 4th root of this, raised by 4 there, raised by 4 there. It's going to be here and here, so the back is z equals to 3 raised to the power 4 is 8, 1. And that is the solution to number 1b. Let us proceed to the next number. And the next number is now C. C of that question. C of question number 1. Let's go there now. We know that. You know the equation. Very much important things that we are supposed now to keep with us. C is supposed to give the solution of A. Solution of A was x is equals to 8 into over what? Over let's maximize this space. X equals to 8 over for the root of z. And we keep it is A and we keep B, and by z is what? 1. We're supposed to keep those ones with us because I'm going to use them. Next, number 1C. Find the percentage change in x when y is increased by 44. When you increase y by 44, it means what? The previous value of y was 36. So the go and increase that one by 44. Increase that one by 44. The go and 36 times 144 over 100. What would be the answer to that? So we get my calculator. 36. 36 times 144. 51.84. That's the new value of y. The new value of y is 51.84. Getting that one is the new value of y. You're going to find when y is increased by 44. So now we proceed and calculate the percentage change in x. X previous ilikuwa ngapi? X previous ilikuwa 160. Ilikuwa 160. So let's get the new value of x now. The new value of x itakuwa ni x is equals to 8 into y. What is y? Y now is 51.84. Then over the fourth root of z, which is the 1 now, the new value of z. So this one the one x is equals to what? 51.84 times 576 over for the root of 81 is what? The root of 81 obvious should give you what we call 3. So you now divide 576 divided by 3. The new value is what? The new value of x is 192. So now find the percentage change in the value of x. We're going to get the new value minus the whole one, which is 192 minus 160, the previous one. The previous value of x was this. This is the new value of x now when y has been changed, has been increased. Over the old value, over the new value, times 100%. Times 100%. We're going to get 192 minus 32. 32 divided by 160. 32 divided by 160 times 100%. That will give you the answer. And that is 20%. So you have done C. Value of that one is, that is the answer to that question. So let me get the comments about how the working has gone. Thank you so much.